Today at Audio City USA, we're going to give you the 5 steps to prepare your car for summer for under $100. So summer is coming, you don't want to be caught in the heat. This is the video for you. It's only $100. Let's go. Now, if you're new to Audio City USA, consider subscribing because we put out videos like this every single week. And today's video is an especially important topic as summer fast approaches. These are the things you can do to prepare your car so that you're not stuck in trouble. Now, Gio, what is the first thing that we can do?
The first thing you can do to prepare your car for this coming summer is to inspect your tires and make sure they are inflated to the correct PSI.
As everybody knows, as temperature increases, the air inside of your tires is going to want to expand. And so if your tires are already pretty full, you're going to want to make sure that they're not, so that you can remove some of the air and there's still room for expansion in there, as well as the fact that if you have cracks or anything like that in the tires, the hot road is going to bring out the worst in those things. And so, as Gio said, make sure they're inspected and they're at the correct PSI. Next, we've got tint your windows. Now, I know you people are going to tell me, Andy, it's not $100. It is if you're willing to take the time to learn how to do it yourself, but tinted windows are a lifesaver. I know that in Arizona, not having tinted windows is a death sentence because it is so hot, you're just going to cook. It's a great way to keep those UV rays out of your car.
But before you're going to tint your windows, just make sure to check the legality of the tint in your car, because some states don't allow tint in the front windows.
That's true. So do look up the laws, but it's absolutely worthwhile. What's next, Gio?
The next thing you're going to want to get, now this is really pretty cheap and they sell it at many stores, a sun reflector for your windshield.
Are you talking about the thing that every grandma has? It's like the foil thing in the windshield right there?
That's the one.
Have you got one personally?
I do, but I have a BMW one.
Oh.
So it's not the granny style.
It's not granny spec. It's premium German engineering. But I'll tell you what, I think that I laugh. I don't have one. I don't think they're necessary. But at the same time, I'm also the one coming back to a hot steering wheel and a belt buckle that's going to brand me at like 200 degrees. So
that's exactly it. I love it. It keeps my car a lot cooler. And pro tip, also keeps your dash from cracking.
Oh. So if you guys are classic car enthusiasts, or if you want to keep your current car in its best condition in summer, consider getting yourself a foil window reflector thingy that your grandma has. Ask her, she'll know about it if you don't know where to get one.
Or take hers.
Or take hers. Next up on the list, we have air conditioning recharge. Now, these are really easy to do. They're surprisingly simple to install. You just plug it in, regas it, and it also might be time to inspect your air conditioning in general, because we know that if you're having to put gas in it every season, it's probably broken. There's a crack in there somewhere and you're leaking all of that precious gas out into the atmosphere.
Before you're going to go ahead and do this, make sure to check which type of refrigerant your car takes. However, most passenger cars take R134A, which you can find at any local AutoZone for $40 to $50.
Yeah, it's relatively cheap. It's an easy job, and it's going to make sure that you don't bake in that hot summer heat. It's essential. Now, Gio, what's the last thing that these people can do to prepare this car for summer?
The last thing you can do is actually a super smart idea. Check your engine's cooling system, because after time, all these cars, as they get older, the plastic starts to crack, becomes brittle, and the last thing you want is a coolant pipe bursting in the 120-degree weather, and then your engine overheats and you're done.
Absolutely. That is the worst thing, especially because a couple $100 now, or even under $100 now, is going to save you thousands later in engine damage. So it's essential to make sure that your cooling system for your engine is running at optimal performance too, because if you're hot, your engine's going to be hot, so you want those things to work together. Now, if you guys need any help with any of this stuff you've seen on the list, especially when it comes to wheels and tires, give us a call here at Audio City USA. We have our number up here. You can go to our website at AudioCityUSA.com. Our experts can help you summarize your car, and then when it comes to winter, we can help you winterize it too with any set of wheel and tires that you need. Anyway, I'm Andy.
I'm Gio.
We hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.